Welcome to Kolme Group's clarizen function in a flash, where each episode we introduce you to a new clarizen function and show you how to use it. Hi, I'm Cornelia Homewood, and I'm one of the senior consultants at Kolme Group. I am a certified PMP and organizational change practitioner. I have been configuring clarizen since 2019. With me today is Kelsey.
Hi, I'm Kelsey Vo. I'm a certified PMP and project management technical consultant intern at Kolme Group. I have 6 years of experience in training and training development.
What function are we learning about today?
Contains. What this function does is it queries a field to see if it contains a specified value and returns it true or false. This is really useful because you can tell clarizen to pick out specific information based on what you're looking for.
Yes, contains is one of our favorites and can be used in evaluation criteria or in combination with if functions. Can we take a look at the syntax?
Absolutely. Here you can see the syntax of contains. Contains has the ability to be case sensitive or not. The default value is false, meaning that by default, contains will not be case sensitive until you set it to true.
Right, so you could just leave out false completely and it will default to not be case sensitive, which will make your configuration a lot more eloquent.
Correct. You can also use contains to help evaluate multi-select pick lists. For example, if we want to notify the PMO office whenever an area of impact on a risk is budget, quality, or safety, you could use contains to do that.
That is a great use case. Can we see it in action?
Of course. Let's demonstrate how you can tell clarizen to look for this on a multi-select pick list. I have a formula laid out in the custom action. This formula is saying if any of my values in this box contain budget, quality, or safety, then mark this as true. First, I'm going to select budget or quality. And you can see that the success message displays because 2 of the 3 values were selected. I can do this any combination of ways as long as one of my values is supplied. If I select a value that is not specified in the formula, for example, if I choose other, then you can see it will return false and clarizen will not generate the masthead.
Nice. Can you also show us what you were mentioning about it being case sensitive?
Oh, yes, of course. So here I have the exact same formula, but I have made the field case sensitive by replacing false with true. If I type in budget with a lowercase b, then clarizen runs that action and it will not recognize that value. However, if I used an uppercase B and typed in budget to match the case exactly, clarizen will recognize this and return it true, generating the green masthead.
Awesome. What tips should we know about contains?
We've got a couple quick tips and tricks when using this function. Contains can only be used for a string and text values. Additionally, contains does not work for strings containing a plus character. You can use the plus character if it's at the end of your evaluation criteria. However, once you've added more text to the end, it will no longer work.
Yes, that's a great tip. So you would need to configure each value separately, like we saw with budget, safety, and quality. But because of this constraint, using in might be a better option for your use case.
That's right. And we also have another video on that you can check out as well.
And that's contains. If you have questions on this function, hit us up on our forum at kolmegroup.com. If you found this useful and are ready to take your clarizen skills to the next level, reach out for individual consulting and training for you and your organization. Thanks, Kelsey.